My friend told me in Roblox that I should do a face reveal. So I'm going to do it. And here's a ugly warning. In 3, 2, 1. Guess I'm totally ugly.
Just call me ugly for that.
Oh, wait. Wait, is the camera working? Is the camera working?